Hey Chris, it's Mike here from Lthr. Thought I'd send you a quick little walk around video, introduce myself and show you this truck. It's in stock, of course, still available as you can see here. Super nice shape. No smokers, no pets. Full load sports, or leather, heated seats, heated steering wheel, 8.5-inch touchscreen, upgraded sound system. Nice truck. Spray and bed liner with the bed utility group, gives you the lighting. Super nice truck, priced well. Mileage is obviously very good for the year. There you go, my friend. I hope you like it. We are offering no obligation 24-hour test drive, so you just want to scoop it up, take it for a rip for the day, you're welcome to do so. If you want to come down and check it out, chat in person, please let me know. It's Mike here again from Lthr. My cell phone 778-668-2490. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.